Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This looks like a normal image, right? But if you open it, you will get hacked just in 3 seconds. You can prank your friend or hack someone by using this method. But do not use this knowledge to harm someone. This video is completely for educational purposes only. Let's make this image using easy steps. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch the video till the end. Let's get into the video soon. The method I used here is running a PowerShell command through a VBS file. First, I create a notepad and paste the VBS script. You can get the script from the video description. This is programmed to open the Windows PowerShell and run this GitHub command. You can replace this command with any other command you like. I have explained every part of the script like this. So the thing now you have to do is save this as a VBS file. You can see the VBS file has already been created here. Now you can delete this notepad document. Now I create a shortcut to turn this into an image. Now select the VBS file from here. Now I change the icon of this shortcut to an image file. Now we need to hide this VBS file. To do that, I right-click the VBS file and go to Properties. Then I select the hidden option and apply it. You can see the VBS file disappeared. If you run this, you can see how it works. You can also create a hacking flash drive using this method. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay connected for more videos like this. We will meet again next time. Goodbye for now.